Shivanshi Balero. You are from Maharashtra,
No, sir, I am from Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh. You will be appearing for interview in Mumbai.
Yes, sir.
Why? There is no center in Bhopal and other places? No.
So there are only 4 centers for interview that the company have prescribed. So they are in New Delhi, Bombay, Chennai, and Kolkata.
Okay, very good. You are appearing for AAO legal.
Yes, sir.
Good. We'll start now. Please tell us about yourself.
Thank you, sir. Sir, my name is Shivansh Bhalerao. I belong to Sihor, Madhya Pradesh. I did my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Sihor, and I did my graduation in BLW honors in the year 2024 from Damodaram Sanjeevaya National Law University, Visakhapatnam.
Mm.
And sir, my hobbies include playing sports, especially basketball and cricket, and I do gaming as well. And I have a keen interest in music also. I play piano and harmonium, as well as I like singing.
But which year you completed your legal degree?
Sir, in 2024.
Okay. After that, what you have been doing?
Sir, I've been preparing for government exams, for legal specific exams in various legal departments, insurance companies, as well as banks and other regulatory bodies.
Achha. What are the regulatory bodies you have written examination?
Sir, I gave the exam of SEBI in 2024.
Mm.
And I also gave the exam of IIDAI in the same year.
Mm.
And in 2025, I've given the exam of GIC.
Mm-hmm.
And
your number is 79997, correct?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I didn't notice it. That's good. Did I give you a link for legal officers interview questions?
No, sir. There was like I asked you about it, but I think I didn't get any.
No. You didn't get it. I'm
Yes,
also
sir.
not seeing. I am 1 minute. Let me try here whether I can get it.
Sir, I have the material for the insurance awareness and the general awareness questions, which are important. All the information.
I got law officer interview questions. Abhi bhej diya.
Yes,
I
sir.
am giving it to you in your page. In your WhatsApp page, I have given it to you. And
Okay, sir.
of course, now coming to the law insurance, please tell me what do you understand by insurance?
So, sir, insurance is a type of financial contract between insurer and an insured. So, which is based on the payment of a premium and on the maturity, or depending upon the type of insurance or on the death of that person. If it is in the life insurance, the person gets the policy amount which is there.
Now, what are the different types of insurance which NICL is issuing?
So, sir, NICL is involved in crop insurance, motor vehicle insurance, and it is also involved in a lot of promotion of the government schemes, of various government schemes related to insurance. And rural sector also, it is also involved in the development of insurance in the rural sector.
But I think this answer is not sufficient. I think national insurance.co.in, inc.co.in. And if we go through their products,
Yes, sir.
I think we will get a better idea about what are the points our NICL is telling why people should choose NICL.
So, sir,
based on what is given in their website. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Based on what is given in their website, please tell what are the points they are trying to highlight? I think you are not studied. Here they have given 100 plus years of trust, then
Yes, sir.
diverse customized products, then 24/7 assistance and support, leading insurer in social schemes, and also 100% Government of India owned entity.
Yes, sir.
These are the points they want to highlight. And can you tell me who is an TPA?
Sir, TPA. Sir, sorry, sir.
Who is a TPA?
Sir, TPA. Are you talking about the act, the Transfer of Property Act?
No. I am not talking about Transfer of Property Act. Here, nationwide TPAs, they are telling nationwide TPA. TPA means some agency.
Yes, sir. Third-party administrators.
Third-party administrators. So what is the function of third-party administrators?
So, sir, actually, third-party administrators are registered under the IRDAI, and their work is to provide for the services in between the insured and the insurer for smooth and beneficial transmission of every transaction, as well as other works which are given by as per the regulations of IRDAI.
But now, can you tell me what are the various provisions of Insurance Act 1938?
So, sir, under the Insurance Act 1938, there are a lot of provisions which are given for the, first of all, about the who can be the insurers, about the registration of third-party administrators, the agents which are there for, and there are other posts as well in which are required to be the work that are required to be done by such third-party administrators and the agents, as well as the solvency margin of the insurers, the insurance company, what should be the solvency margin, as well as the paid-up capital which is required for the insurance companies for to be eligible under the Insurance Act to act as an insurance in India.
You told correctly. You told about licensing and registration requirement.
Yes, sir.
Solvency margin.
Yes,
Policy holder protection, that you didn't tell. Policy holder protection, then regulation of insurance intermediaries. This
Yes,
one
sir.
you did not touch upon. Then you did not touch upon dispute resolution mechanisms.
Yes,
then
sir.
fair practices and transparency. This point also can be added in this one. You can
Yes,
tell
sir.
like this. Then next comes, tell me what do you know about IRDA Act 1999?
So, sir, before the enactment of a IRDAI Act, there was no any particular consolidated regulatory body which was there. So that's why the government established this regulatory authority for insurance companies, for all the insurance companies in India, as well as for making of regulations and directions for the insurance intermediaries which are there, and it also provides for any resolution of any complaints, as well as there's this tribunal, and all of these things are prescribed in the IRDAI. And after that, after the enactment of the IRDAI Act, all the private insurance parties, private insurance companies which were there in India were allowed to operate in the insurance sector of life insurance as well as the general insurance, which is a non-life insurance part.
Now, you completed BL in 2024.
Yes, sir.
Have you become a member of bar?
Yes, sir. I've already registered in the Bar Council.
What is your exposure for practical job experience?
Sir, although I have no prior work experience for this particular organization, but I think all thanks to my university, the way the curriculum that I followed, the exposure that I got, and also all thanks to my faculties as well, who have helped me in in understanding the law, but as well as they helped me in understanding the practical application of law in various other fields. So this experience, as well as what I've learned in my college, would help me in serving this organization. And I think
what is the work you will be expected to do in insurance company?
So, sir, the work I think would include the first of all the regulatory compliance, of IIDI, whether they are whether the policies are being followed, whether the regulations are being followed by the company, as well as for looking at for taking also the consumer disputes if they are there, and also preparing all the documents and all the requirement which is required to be done by a legal officer, and contract vetting, and these are some of the activities I think this job profile requires.
So, what are the principles of insurance?
So, sir, there are 7 principles of insurance. First of all, it is the principle of uberem fide, which is the principle of utmost good faith, which states that the insurer as well as the insured are required to show utmost good faith during the making of the insurance contract, and the insured is required to provide the insurance companies, which is the insurer, with all the information that is being asked, and also any information which could increase the risk of that particular insurance. Like for example, if there is any disease, or if there is any health complications, then the the policy holder is required to give all this information to the insurance company. Then there is the principle of subrogation, in which if the insurance company pays the value of the policy to the insured, then they can ask for the money that they've provided from the third parties who are responsible for any damage, or like which damaged any property or a person, so that's the principle of subrogation. Other than that, there are a principle of proximate costs, which states that the nearest and the nearest possible cause of any happening should be taken in view, and not the remote cause. So like for example, if a person has taken fire insurance for his property, and if that property gets damaged due to earthquake, then the insurance company would not be liable. The insurance company is only liable when there is any haphazard due to fire, and not due to any other causes. Other than that,
tell me now. Yeah. Now, what do you know about SURFACE Act?
So, sir, SURFACE Act was enacted in the year 2002 for basically it provides for it is for the banks, and like how they can recover non-performing assets without any court intervention, and it enables them to take possession of any secured assets like property, or like in cases where like they can take that secured property when a borrower defaults on a loan. And also it helps up in the without any court intervention, and that's why it helps in speeding up the debt recovery process.
What is DRT?
So, sir, DRT is debt recovery tribunal. Like basically, it's an act for recovery of any secured loan from any person. So it is similar, like it is also a banking act, which is important and plays a really important role in recovery of loans from individuals, and also helps in, like basically it helps in the recovery of loans, sir.
Why should we select you?
Sir, I think because so, sir, as in my when I did my graduation in my 5-year course of BLLB, I have experienced law thoroughly, and I think my skills such as adaptability can help this organization in facing, like I'll be ready for facing any challenges and for growing in this organization. And I see myself as someone who likes professional as well as personal growth. And I think this organization, with its transparency and its work environment and culture and the stability as well it provides, I think it would be a really great opportunity for me to be in this organization.
What are your strengths?
So, sir, my strengths include adaptability to any new situations. I always try to adapt to any challenges that I have to face, and I always try that I do my best. And I used to be inclined more towards the perfection, but now I have started to looking at the improving aspect of anything, and it makes me really satisfied with my work. Like if I'm not striving for perfection, but I'm just improving myself day by day.
Now, good. What is your father?
Sir, my father is a bank manager in a cooperative bank.
Achha. So what is the difference between cooperative banks and scheduled commercial banks?
So, sir, under the Banking Regulation Act, scheduled commercial banks are banks which are scheduled, which are there under the Schedule 2 of the Banking Regulation Act, as well as cooperative banks are the banks which are basically which comes under the Cooperative Societies Act, and which is governed by Banking Regulation Act, but it is established as a cooperative society and working as a bank under the Banking Regulation Act.
Good. Now coming to this one minute. Yeah. Yeah, I get some questions here.
Yes, sir.
Why do you want to become a law AAO in insurance company instead of going for private practice?
So, sir, actually, when I was in my final year of my college, I decided that I would pursue a law officer job. It's also because of the reason, it's because of the environment that I've seen in my home. My mother is also a government servant, and she is a principal in a educational training institute. So the job profile that the law officers post, the government jobs provides is the stability in these times, and that's why I feel that it is one of the in private, if we see, there is no such job stability which is there, and also it requires I think the job profile and the environment that you work in government jobs is something that I really like, and I would that's why that would help me in my professional growth.
Tell us 5 differences between 1956 and 2013 Companies Act.
So, sir, the differences in the 1956 Companies Act and 2013 Companies Act include some provisions regarding like the corporate social responsibility, which was included in the Companies Act after the 2013 amendment, and there are some new amendments as well regarding Section 8 companies. There were also some changes made in that, and also there are some transitional provisions in the Articles of Association which were changed and given more power, and so that's it. I'm aware of right now.
Number of sections are different. In
Yes, sir.
1956, it consisted of 6. I'm showing you.
Yes, sir.
Are you seeing on the screen?
Yes,
Number
sir.
of
Yes, sir.
sections, 1956. Companies Act consisted of 658 sections spread over 13 parts with 15 schedules. 2013 consists of 470 sections divided into 29 chapters and 7 schedules. Number of sections reduced for the sake of simplicity.
Yes, sir.
56, it has fewer provisions on corporate governance.
Yes, sir.
2013, it has provided stricter norms on corporate governance. Number 3, one person company 1% company, that difference is there. Financial year, Companies Act were allowed to choose any financial year provided it was for a period not exceeding 15 months. 2013 stipulated it must be 1st April to 31st March. Then corporate social responsibility. Then board constituent and meetings. That is, some changes have been introduced here. Then
Yes, sir.
appointment and rotation of auditors. Then class action suits, mergers and acquisitions, electronic filing and documentation, penalties and enforcement, National Company Law Tribunal. Then like this. Conclusion. Please read this conclusion.
Sure, sir.
Read the Companies Act. Or are you not seeing it?
No, sir, I can see that, sir.
Padona.
The Companies Act 1956 gave way to the Companies Act 2013, which marks a step into modernization of the corporate law framework of India. In the new act, a number of reforms have been brought forth to bring out more transparency, accountability, and corporate governance with simplified business process. These were some of the landmark novelties in the 2013 Act: mandatory CSR, independent directors, auditor rotation, and class action suits. And all of them are now closer to the standards followed worldwide in the corporate sector. In addition to these specialized tribunals, for example, the National Company Law Tribunal, they enable expeditious resolution of disputes.
1 minute. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Hold on, because somebody is messaging me. Just another one. Yeah. Yeah. Now I was asking you about what this one, 1956, and this one. Huh? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this one, I am giving you this link.
Sure, sir.
I suggest you try to modify it to suit you.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Yeah. Now coming to this one. Coming to other questions. How can you contribute towards development and growth of our company?
So, sir, as a legal officer, I can give my best during while doing my duties, and I would try to do all of my activities which are there in the company with all with patience and with all the hard work that I can do. And I would try to do all my work regarding legal compliance, contract vetting, and also the preparation of documents in a proper and a professional manner. And I would also, as I am a fast learner, I would also try to learn the basics and the most important things that would add up to my work and which would help me in serving this organization.
Tell me the latest constitutional amendments.
Sir, latest constitutional amendment is the.
I think you are not given thought about this. Please go through these questions,
Yes,
which
sir.
are normally asked in interviews. I'm not
Yes,
sure whether it is bank or insurance. Any insurance, when you go, they want to know that you are a lawyer.
Yes,
by
sir.
asking more questions relating to lawyer,
Yes,
lawyer
sir.
profession. So
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा उसका बारे में बहुत कुछ पढ़ना है.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is cognizable and non-cognizable offences and laws relating to bail?
So, sir, basically, it is these are the provisions which are provided in the under the BNSS, which is Bharatiya Nyaya Suraksha Samhita. So, cognizable cases are which are the cases in which the officers which are there, the police officers are not required to take the court permission for starting an investigation in a case, and non-cognizable cases are those in which the preliminary court permission is required. And bail matters are basically so there are two types. There are types of offenses, including bailable and non-bailable. Bailable offenses are those in which the bail which is provided to an an accused
What is
is
what
a
are
matter
the
of right.
what are directive principles of state policy?
So, sir, directive principle of state policy are provided under the Constitution for the effective administration and for proper governance of a state, and it is provided under Part 4 of the Constitution, and it has a lot of provisions such as the regarding to education, regarding to work, and for providing basic and human conditions of work to the workers, as well as it provides for a uniform civil code. It provides for free legal aid under
What
Article
is
39A.
what is insurance ombudsman?
Sir, Insurance Ombudsman is an authority which has been made by consolidating all the other insurance ombudsmen which were there, like all the acts and which were there uh, before the insurance ombudsman was consolidated, and it is basically it provides for redress grieval. It provides for any complaints that could be made by
What
people
is the
in case.
maximum compensation that can be granted?
Uh, Sir, I am not aware of that right now.
I know about banking. It has been raised from 20 lakhs to 30 lakhs. And
Yes.
for compensation, instead of 1 lakh, some 3 lakhs, they have revised it. Please check up. There is some 50 lakhs also. Please check up for insurance.
Yes, sure, sir.
Then what are the two objectives of IRDAI?
So, sir, first object is first of all the regulation of the insurance companies as well as the regulation of the intermediaries, which are there, the agents, the third-party administrators, and the brokers. And other than that, sir, the one more is the proper functioning of the insurance sector in India, and providing for any.
More than this, you must tell protecting the rights of policy holders
Yes, sir.
and quickly resolving valid insurance claims. So while they don't do it, but still, that is for that purpose they have been formed.
Yes, sir.
Do you follow what I say?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you tell me about Bima Sugam?
Bima Sugam is, sir, is one of what I know about it is one of the one policy regarding
Please study about it. You don't know. Please tell me about Bima Bharosa.
Bima Bharosa. Sir, is it related to LIC? Bima Bharosa.
No, it is. Bima Bharosa is all about quickly fixing customer issues in insurance.
Yes, sir.
It is like a centralized platform where customers can report problems with their insurance. It
Yes,
keeps
sir.
track of complaints from start to finish, making everyone know what is going on.
Yes, sir.
So, that is what I have seen it. You can read something more about it also. Sorry, I have not given you the list of questions earlier.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
please go through this. This may look like banking. Just convert it to insurance
Sure, sir.
and then prepare your questions on that. For example, there can be a question on how agreements decide governing law. Like that, they ask questions. These
Yes, sir.
questions are given in the paper that has been given to you today.
Yes, sir.
That is law officer interview questions. थोड़ा उसको पढ़ लो जी.
Sure,
और
sir.
भी हमारा recent, I have also given in our recent, say India Legal. I have shared one magazine in the general knowledge.
Yes, sir.
General knowledge folder. There is one India Legal. Recently, I received a magazine. Please go through that.
Yes, sir.
Also, you must be able to tell about latest Supreme Court decisions and latest decisions regarding insurance. Then who is the present Chief Justice? Who is going to be the next Chief Justice of India?
Yes.
Something like that. ये सबको gossip सब भी आप थोड़ा prepare करके रखना है.
बिल्कुल सर.
Otherwise, you are answering very well. That
Yes,
is,
sir.
you have very good communication skill, confidence.
Yes,
But
sir.
pata nahi, when they ask something intricate like this, whether you will be able to manage. Generally, you are able to manage the questions.
Yes, sir.
And only thing is the practical law exposure is not adequate.
Yes, sir.
If they insist on, for example, you don't know what is application, what is say attachment, what is and all that practical experience आपको नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
So इसलिए whether they will give equal marks or more marks, less marks, I don't know. But however, you have very good ability to talk. That will help you. Best
Yes, sir.
wishes. We will meet again next. Which date you want? Tell me.
Sir, can I give it on 21st?
No problem. 21 first. What is the day?
Sir, I think it would be
Must be Saturday or Friday. Na?
Friday, sir. It's Friday.
I'll make it same 3:30 p.m.
Yes, sir. Sure. Sir, I will prepare all the legal questions as well as the awareness questions regarding law as well as the insurance.
Yeah. So I don't know what can be asked. They can ask anything.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is the basic problem with your insurance interview.
Yes, sir.
Insurance interview, they will ask about if in case some doctor is going, they will ask what is diabetics, what are the different types of diabetics. Tell me something about what is that brain fever, something. Who knows? But they
Yes,
ask
sir.
anything, everything they will ask. Similarly, आपको law में they will ask about Supreme Court, your district court, your municipal court, your
Yes, sir.
then about Lokpal, Lokdal, I don't know, whatever it is. ये सब में पूछ सकते हैं. They can ask about Panchayat Act. They can ask about the national acts and all that. I don't know.
Yes, sir.
Please be ready.
Yes, sir. I will do the basics of every important acts which are there as well as the important provisions and the questions I will prepare.
Yeah, please go through all that. And if at all you come across some book relating to insurance, this
Yes, sir.
one I got it locally. It is published in Chennai.
Yes, sir.
This is the book on banking and insurance. यहाँ पर all these questions are given here. IRDA, Bima Sugam, this, that, and all. Not that they cannot be hacked from the net itself. If you can search and get it, there is nothing left. There are some more questions on risk management.
Yes,
Anything
sir.
can be asked. थोड़ा ये सबको prepare कर दीजिए.
Sure, sir. Sir, I just wanted to ask, apart from the legal awareness questions, like anything special that you would like to tell me about the insurance awareness that I should prepare or something, especially for something important?
Please go through National Insurance Company
Yes, sir.
website.
Yes, sir.
They can ask any corner of that website. I have not done that today.
Yes, sir.
So please go through that. Next time you come to me, I will ask.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. I will prepare.
Thank you. Otherwise, you are a good candidate.
Yes, sir.
But if only you had served as a lawyer for 3 years, I will select you.
Yes, sir.
पता नहीं, they may select even without that. It depends on how you interact with confidence to them.
Yes, sir.
And how others are, whether they have exposure or not.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Best
Okay.
wishes.
Thank you
did
so
well.
much, sir.
but
Yes,
you can
sir.
do still more better.
I will prepare the questions regarding the awareness and all, sir, and
Yeah.
I will give my interview
But
next.
you go through all the questions I have given there. These are the questions asked in real